So let's see how to create a hierarchy in Tableau. First of all, to create a hierarchy, I have to select the data or the dimensions. Those are in lower granularity, and we have to go to the deeper level, which should be the nested one that must have the higher level of granularity. So here a year is a parent data of all these dimensions. Now right click on the year. First it has to be the parent. Okay, so you have to click the parent data, go to hierarchy and create a hierarchy. Okay, so the hierarchy name should be irrespective of any attribute. So what I can give the hierarchy name is time dimension. Okay, time dimension. This hierarchy name would be time dimension. Okay, now you see the icon here, the first hierarchy, which is year, the icon is created, the first label. Now I can one by one add the next level of data to this hierarchy. Okay, so what is the next level of data after year? Tell me. It would be quarter. Okay, inside year it should be multiple quarters. So right click quarter and then go to hierarchy. Here, as we have added a hierarchy, I don't have to create another hierarchy. Okay, so I can create another hierarchy, or else I can add this quarter data to add hierarchy, which is already created a dimension called time dimension. So it is added just below to the year. Then what is the next level of data? Month. I can right click here on the hierarchy, add to hierarchy, time dimensions. You can see parent, child, then grandchild. Okay, now likewise I have to, the next level of data is weeks. Okay, then I will select week 1 2 3 4 5, and then inside that we'll have the weekdays. Okay, so I will just go to the hierarchy and add to this hierarchy weeks, then weekdays. Go to hierarchy and add the time dimension. In a single weekday you may have a lot of days, right? Sunday, in a calendar, Sunday may come in different dates. First Sunday, second week Sunday, third week Sunday, and so on. So likewise, if you select the chart as Sunday, you may have multiple dates inside that also. Okay, so let's not add the weekdays here, it would be a little bit confusing. I will just remove this from hierarchy. Inside the week you will have the next label is called date. Okay, so I will add here the date, which is going to be into the hierarchy. So from the top to bottom, year, quarter, month, week, days. Now based on this only I can create a chart. I will have a date time dimension, then I will have a measure. So I will create a chart, maybe a bar chart I will create, very simple chart I will have to create. Just add this to sheet, or double click here, add to sheet. So what I am getting, the first label I am getting years. I have 3 years of data, 2010, 11 and 12. I can also change the orientation to vertical. Okay, then I will add a measure called say cells. Okay, now I am able to see the year wise cells. There are 3 years, 2010, 11 and 12, and the cells is showing in a line chart. So let's make it a bar chart here instead of the line. It's a bar chart, though it is seems to be more concurrent because the size of the data is not having so variance. Okay, so here, but still there are differences in the data. This one is higher, this one is a little bit less, and this one is little bit less. Yeah, so this one is the higher record. I'll just make the sizes a little bit bigger, thick in this bar chart. Then color also I can use, the color should be like this. Okay, so that in order to find it, see, even if it is looks like the same size, if you see the bird's eye view, but still it is more identical if you are taking the color by threshold, right? So this is the good option to take the better decision easily. Let's go to my favorite color, maybe this one. Okay, so this chart, okay, so first level of chart is here. Now I'll just make it a presentation view. Would like to see the data not in case. I'll just change it to the format, and I will change it the size as a standard or custom. Okay, let it be standard. So how the hierarchy would work here? I will also add the label which is showing in the top. I can change the label style. I want to make it vertical. Okay, so I can show it here. Go to the alignment, I can make it vertical, so like this. And this size, this text should not be there in the top. I want this has to be there in the middle, so inside the bars. Okay, this should look more better. So let it be here. I can give the name as drill down. Return report. Okay, so here once I am just watching this one, I am able to see the first level of chart which is showing in years. How I can go to the next level? How I can go to the next level? Here there is a plus mark here. You can notice this is the first level of hierarchy. If you just go to the plus, I can go to the next level. So click here. You'll be able to see quarters. Okay, now if you just click here, then you will be able to see the months inside those quarters. These are the months, then weeks, then dates. There would be a lot of dates, so that's why it is taking time. So it's the first week here. Now here there's a dates I'm able to see, which is showing the top. So this is one hierarchy report.